So after going back to Cabela's and returning my second Leatherman Charge TTI, they don't have any more in stock, so I just I just refunded my money, and then I went to MEC. They have uh, they have the Charge TTI there. Their Charge TTI were in boxes like this, so don't know if it's a good thing, but I had to I had the chance to try all the Charge TTA that they have. So actually they have five five in stock. Okay, with that five Charge TTIs, actually uh, almost all of them also has issues. Um, some some had bleed play on the straight plain edge, and then the serrated blade, and also, but the worst blade play I found there, and also in the Cabela's, the charge TTI that I got from Cabela's is on the saw blade. It has blade play up and down and side to side. I don't know, but I think it's related to the lanyard ring that's hidden inside here. If you can see that, because when you close this, the saw blade, it touches that, and if you can, there, when it touches the lanyard ring, it forces the saw blade to go a little upwards towards the the case. So I think it's forcing the pivot and this the torque screw here to quite loosen up a bit. I don't know. Okay, so all the four stocks there has issues on blade play for all the blades except the file, because the file, all the files of the charge TTIs that I tried lock solidly, but the problem is the file rub issue. Okay, so there at mech, only I remember only one charge TTI has that file rub issue. Okay, this one doesn't have file rub issue. When I when I tried this there at mech, this charge TTI doesn't have any blade play issue. All the tools outside and inside lock solidly. The only thing that I noticed with this unit is the finish. You can see the scratches out of the box. It already has scratches right there, there, and even the plier head there. Those are scratches. There at the middle, those are scratches. And again, the contact of the plier head, with the case when you open and close the tool. I think it's very close because the scratches are quite deep. Okay, but more issues more than that. After just one day, okay, when I got this doesn't have any blade play issue, but just after one day, the serrated blade, I can already feel blade play there. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Up and down. So I don't know, upon looking closely on this tool, I noticed that the scales are now moving. Wait. There. Hope you can see that. There, it moved. There. So I think that's the reason for the blade play, or but again, it's a quality issue. It's a brand new tool. And also the on the side of the S30V with the plain edge, it also clicks a bit. There. If you can hear that. I don't know if the torque screw are loosened, but I think they applied Loctite on these screws in the factory, so I don't know what's happening with Leatherman. It's clear that these are quality issues. If I can, there, because I don't know if you can see it on my camera, but the scales are, okay, so that's one major issue. The scales are not tightly fit, or are not securely fit. Actually, two of them, this one and on the serrated blade side, and on the plain edge blade side, the scales are moving. And the deep scratches out of the box, the contact of the plier head with the handle upon closing and opening the tool. All the inside tools lock solidly. Everything outside, the outside tools lock solidly, except for the serrated blade after 1 day of just tinkering with the tool. So this is the $200 Leatherman tool, which is the top of the line, as they say, that I bought. And now, after trying out two charged TTIs in Cabela's and returned both, went to Mech and tried 5 more. This is not a perfect unit, but I think this is the best out of the 5, so I just took this. The only issue with this unit when I got it from Mech was deep scratches out of the box and the scratches on the plier head. And then after 1 day, the serrated blade already has blade play, and then I've noticed the scales are now moving. So I'm thinking of just returning this and just refunding my money. Don't think this is worth it. Okay, thanks for watching.